Are you looking at ski bindings? Ski bindings are a critical component of any ski setup, ensuring safety, performance, and compatibility between boots and skis. Choosing the right bindings can significantly impact your skiing experience. Whether you're carving through groomed trails, exploring the backcountry, or hitting the terrain park. For this comparison, we evaluated 5 popular ski binding models from Marker and Tyrolia, focusing on their features, performance, and user experience. List number: Marker Griffon 13 Ski Bindings, 2024, DIN 4.0 to 13.0. The Marker Griffon 13 ski bindings are designed for advanced and expert skiers seeking versatility across freeride, freestyle, park, and pipe disciplines. Featuring the triple pivot Elite 3-toe system and inner pivot 3 freeride heel, these bindings offer improved edge grip and control. The Sole.id technology allows compatibility with both alpine and touring boot soles, making it a flexible option for skiers who switch between disciplines. With a centralized swing weight, the Griffon 13 is ideal for spins and twists, catering to freestyle enthusiasts. Performance-wise, the Griffon 13 delivers exceptional responsiveness and stability, particularly in aggressive skiing scenarios. The lighter and stiffer construction compared to previous models enhances precision, while the no-pull-out screws ensure durability. List number: Tyrolia Attack. The Tyrolia Attack 14 GWBR95 is a robust binding tailored for intermediate to advanced skiers. Its step-on closure system ensures quick and secure boot engagement, while the 95mm brake width accommodates most all-mountain skis. The bindings are lightweight at 16 ounces, making them a great option for skiers looking for reduced swing weight. Available in striking red, they offer a sleek and modern aesthetic. In terms of performance, the Attack 14 GW excels in providing consistent release, reliability, and stability. The step-on mechanism is praised for its ease of use, particularly in challenging conditions like snow and ice. However, the bindings may not offer the same level of versatility as models with adjustable toe systems like Sole.id. Users appreciate their durability and sleek design, but some feel that the brake width could limit compatibility with wider skis. List number: Marker Squire 11 Ski Bindings 2022. The Marker Squire 11 ski bindings are designed for intermediate skiers, offering a combination of safety and performance. Equipped with the triple pivot light 2-toe system and hollow linkage heel, these bindings prioritize ease of use and lightweight construction. The anti-ice rail feature helps clear snow and ice from boot soles, ensuring reliable engagement even in harsh conditions. Grip walk compatibility adds versatility, accommodating both alpine and grip walk boot soles. These bindings are well suited for skiers who prioritize simplicity and reliability. The lightweight design reduces fatigue during long days on the slopes, while the anti-ice rail ensures consistent performance in snowy conditions. However, the 90mm brake width may not be suitable for wider skis. List number: Tyrolia Attack 14 GWBR.1144A FLAWW. The Tyrolia Attack 14 GWBR.11 is a vibrant and highly durable binding designed for intermediate to advanced skiers. Its flash yellow color stands out, while the 110mm brake width accommodates wider skis. The step-on closure system ensures secure engagement, and its robust construction supports aggressive skiing styles. With a weight of 5.3 pounds, it is heavier than other models, which may appeal to skiers seeking stability and durability. Performance-wise, the Attack 14 GWBR.110 provides excellent reliability and stability in varied terrain, making it ideal for all mountain and freeride applications. The wider brake width enhances compatibility with powder skis, and the durable construction ensures longevity even under demanding use. List number 5: Marker Squire 10 Ski Bindings 2024 100. The Marker Squire 10 ski bindings are designed for beginner skiers, offering simplicity, safety, and performance. With a DIN range of 3 to 10, These bindings cater to lighter riders and those new to skiing. The adaptable brake width of 85 to 100 millimeters ensures compatibility with a wide range of skis, while the lightweight plastic construction reduces fatigue. The buckle closure system is straightforward and user-friendly. These bindings excel in providing a forgiving and accessible experience for novice skiers. The lightweight design makes them easy to handle, and the adaptable brake width enhances versatility. However, the lower din range may not suit more aggressive skiing styles, and the plastic construction may lack the durability of metal components. Customer reviews highlight their ease of use